Let's talk transmissions. Not that kind. Your network's data transmissions. As they continue to increase the speed, having the right fiber connectors ensures you can keep up. By right connectors, we mean these guys, the LC and MPO connectors. The LC, this is a duplex, has one fiber in each fair rule. 10 gigs this way, 10 this way for your serial schemes. Nice and compact, great for higher port density. Here's the MPO. One fair rule, loaded with either 12 or 24 fibers. Each fiber pair can be an independent duplex link, so you get the lane capacity of all these LCs without using all those ports. The MPO also supports parallel transmission for applications that use multiple lanes. Take 40 G-base SR4. The MPO 12 gives you 4 transmission 10 gig lanes here, 4 reception lanes here, and these 4 aren't used. Want to run 100G? Okay. The MPO 24 gives you 12 serial pairs, 2 of which can remain unused. The best part is, LC and MPO connectors support your future lane capacities too. You run 10 gig today, but 25 gig is coming, with 50 gig to follow and 100 after that. When you're ready to upgrade, use these same connectors. Beyond that, LCs will also support wideband multimode fiber, a technology that TIA and IEEE have already standardized. It can carry 4 multiplex 10 gigabyte signals on a single fiber, so you can get 40 gig, 100 gig, or even 400 on one duplex link. Want to learn more about how to kick your data center's cabling network into high gear? Connect with the fiber experts at CommScope. We'll hook you up.